Big bastard.
Yeah. I actually kind of really want to eat him though, but I feel bad because he's huge. So a crida here, be a nice, good little protein boost, give you some energy to. With mushrooms, species identification is very critical, and many mushrooms will not only make you sick, but many will kill you dead. That just kind of defeats the purpose of survival now, doesn't it? When you cut open a morel, it should be hollow. If it's not, you're going to want to discard it, because there's a kind of mushroom known as a false morel. These are very poisonous and have a pretty much solid inside, unlike true morels. Morel mushrooms availability varies depending on location, but they start popping up in the spring month. The tops look somewhat like a brain or have a sponge look. Dandelions are widely distributed in temperate areas of Eurasia, the Americas, Australia, and New Zealand. They can be identified by the jagged edge green leaves along with the bright yellow flowers. The leaves and roots are edible. Young leaves can be eaten raw. You're going to want to boil the older leaves to remove the bitter taste by changing the water once or twice. You'll want to boil the roots too before eating them. The roots can also be roasted and ground to make a substitute for coffee. The leaves are very high in vitamin A and C as well as iron and calcium. Wild onions and garlics can be found in open, sunny areas throughout the temperate regions. The bulbs and onions are edible raw or cooked. Eating large quantities of onions will give your body an unpleasant odor that will repel insects, and if you're lucky, it'll also possibly repel vampires. Pawpaws can be found on small trees with soft, hollow trunks. They have large green leaves that have 7 lobes. Along with the fruit, you can also eat the young flowers, leaves, and stems, but you're going to want to boil them first and change the water at least once. Ripe fruit is high in vitamin C. Unripe fruit will ripen very quickly in the sun. The milk from the green unripe fruit can also cause temporary blindness if it gets in contact with your eyes, so you're going to definitely want to avoid that.